All right, this is the Tuesday, March 14th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you during the 5 o'clock hour. There's a peek at the Greensboro Tower camera where some very, very chilly rain continues to move through. And in parts of the Piedmont, there have been a few sleet pellets and snow flurries mixed in here and there. But by and large, once you get away from the higher elevations, it's just been a chilly rain. There's a look at the Charlotte Dowd YMCA camera, 37 degrees there. A lot of the Triad viewing area around 34, so not far above freezing, but generally above freezing. These were highs yesterday. What a chilly day across the region. 40s very common, mid 40s across the Triad viewing area, around the Charlotte area, generally mid 40s as well. And that rain moved in as we got into the afternoon. Let me show you one more look here. There you go. There's a look up in Boone. From our friends there at resortcams.com. It is snowing pretty heavily in some mountain spots early this morning. There's your temperatures. It is chilly, and here comes a fresh supply of really cold air spilling down from the Midwest and the Great Lakes region. That'll be our main weather story now locally as we go through the next few days. This storm system ramping up. Pressures have really been dropping over here along the coast and the Outer Banks this morning as this low pressure strengthens. This is the back edge of the rain that's lifting up northeastward. Again, it's snow in the mountains, mainly rain out in the Piedmont zones with a few snowflakes and sleet pellets mixed in. But here's where it really starts to get messy. Nation's capital right on that line between heavy snow and mixed precipitation types. And then as you head further to the north and east, that shield of very, very heavy snow really beginning to kick into gear. And watch Futurecast here as we go through today and tonight. This is a significant, major snowstorm. In fact, you have blizzard warnings in effect for those red shaded areas in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Long Island, New York, up into Connecticut and Massachusetts, parts of Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine as well. And look at this. This is the European model snow totals. There could be, by the time the week is out, some 3-foot snow totals there in parts of the northeastern United States. That's amazing stuff. Now, around North Carolina, the precipitation tapers off by midday. And we see this Arctic air then begin to settle in. It'll be breezy this afternoon, for instance, in the Triad viewing area. There's a look at the winds today. Could see winds gusting 25, 30 plus miles per hour as this Arctic air begins to take hold. Here's our highs this afternoon. Then temperatures fall very quickly this evening. And look at these lows by tomorrow morning. A really cold start to the day on the way. There's the Triad forecast, by the way, 50 and 20, your high and low today and tonight. Again, Arctic air, a big weather story here for the next couple of days. Only upper 30s and lower 40s for a lot of the foothills in Piedmont for high temperatures tomorrow. Arctic air still very much in place for Thursday. Your low temperatures Thursday morning look like that. And it's cold stuff and still only in the 40s to around 50 for Thursday afternoon. Still another very cold morning coming up Thursday night into Friday morning. So here's what's happening in the upper levels. Big piece of energy phasing with this piece of energy over the Great Lakes, and there's your big northeast winter storm. 5,000 foot temperatures, very, very cold over the eastern part of the country by Wednesday morning. By tomorrow morning, that's a good shot of cold air. And some of the raw computer model temperatures here. This is the GFS 0Z run lows coming up Wednesday morning and then lows on Thursday morning. This is cold stuff, no doubt about it. So around here, cold high pressure blowing in here. It'll be blustery today. It's still blustery tonight and tomorrow too, really, as this high pressure begins to take hold. There's a look at tomorrow's map, pretty quiet. Now, I do think on Saturday morning, a little front zips through. Could be a quick hitting shower chance Saturday morning. And a little reinforcing shot of some cooler temperatures then around Sunday into early Monday. And again, real quick here, just a couple of things about the snowstorm. There's the 4-kilometer NAM snow totals for the northeastern part of the country. And just as a for instance, this is the European sea level pressure chart. That is what, 973 millibars as it crosses the Cape. It's a big, big winter storm. Most significant winter storm in March in the northeast part of the country since the big superstorm of '93. All right, that is it for the Carolina Weather Video. Have a great day and God bless.